one of the key things that people really want to know is how should healthcare leaders think about AI when the goal is both operational efficiency, but also not
Mhm.
compromising patient experience? How have you done it?
Well, in our case, in Fullerton Health, what we do we look at the gaps because you have to understand where the problems are. So, long waiting time is one. So, what we did, we have an app, and they can look at the calendar and they can book right away. So, gives them like 15 minutes to book. Unlike before, it will take weeks,
Yeah.
back and forth emails. So from the onset, booking alone, we have automated it. We have the calendar, and you can automatically find your date. When it comes to operational efficiency, there's no manual encoding because everything is integrated from the laboratory, imaging, and height and weight. Everything goes into one site, and everything is churned and released. So then we're able to minimize errors, actually zero error because it's um it's automated, so no manual encoding. And we are more focused on engagement. We have more time, we have less time on admin and more time talking to clients, hearing them out, providing the excellent service. And that also helps in terms of the turnaround time. Because the process is automated, they go from one room to another and they're able to finish all the executive health screening tests in 3 hours. So even in the report, as I mentioned, it's more comprehensive. There are visuals and there is health risk analysis. There's predictive. The
Mhm.
predictive side of it is more important. So it helps a lot.